up her lip enhancement. So we used Juvederm Ultra on her today. And now we're just getting ready to apply her post-treatment lip kit. So we're using the Comfortox lip kit. It comes with the serum, which is step 1. So you just twist this guy up and you'll see it kind of come to the top. So this goes on first. And then I'll let this dry for a second while I talk about the products themselves. So the serum and the balm both have arnica in them and hyaluronic acid, which is really nice and moisturizing for after getting lips done. We give this to all of our patients after they get their lips done so they can take it home and use it over the next week or so. It looks really pretty on the lips for after photos, and it is therapeutic because of the arnica, hyaluronic acid. It's all plant-based. It kind of helps to heal the lips quicker, get rid of bruising, swelling, things of that nature. So we have the serum on now. I just try to let it dry for like 30 seconds or so because the balm goes on more easily if the serum is dry. And then the balm is a little thicker, obviously, and this is what kind of will give that really pretty shine to the lip and make taking your after photos really nice and pretty. And it's nice that we give these to our patients afterwards because it's a brand new product that they can apply to the lips so they don't have to worry about using like an old chapstick or something like that and putting bacteria into all the fresh injection sites. Rub your lips together a little bit if you can. She's pretty numb, so perfect. All right, and that's it. We'll send that home with her and her lip enhancement is finished.